Tired of manually filtering through endless databases to find your ideal prospects? I am going to show you how to request hyper-targeted lead lists in plain English using the Generate Leads skill. No complex filters, no hours of work, just results delivered straight to your inbox.
Here's how it works. You tell your clone exactly who you want to find, just like you're talking to a teammate. The system parses your request, puts the CloneForce operators to work across multiple data sources, and delivers a clean CSV file directly to your email. It's all about precision over volume. Targeted lists that actually convert. Let's look at the lead generation skill. Execution chat view. When making your request, include 4 essential components. First, who you want to reach. Specify job titles and seniority like VP of Sales, Director of Revenue Operations, or Head of Business Development. Second, where your prospects are located. You can target by country, state, or even specific metro areas like California and New York. Third, add company filters. Define employee count ranges like 100 to 500 employees, revenue brackets, industries like SaaS or technology, and even tech stack like companies using Salesforce. Fourth, include your email address where you want the CSV delivered. Bonus tip, add exclusions to filter out competitors or dormant accounts you don't want to contact. Here's an example request. Find me 500 VP of Sales at SaaS companies with 100 to 500 employees in California and New York, using Salesforce with verified emails. Exclude competitors. Send to my email at company.com. Now let's check the lead generation skill. Execution output. You'll receive a professionally formatted CSV file with columns for full name, job title, company name, verified email address, direct phone number, and LinkedIn profiles. You also get a summary report showing total contacts found and data freshness date. Pro tip, always start with a 50 to 100 contact sample first to validate targeting quality before ordering thousands. Remember, hyper-targeted lists with tight filters achieve 2 to 3 times higher response rates than broad campaigns. Precision beats volume every time. Ready to build your perfect prospect list? Tell your clone exactly who you need and watch the magic happen. Good luck with your outreach!